Hey guys, today I will talk about US dollar versus the Canadian dollar because Canada is to release its consumer price index later, and this economic indicator could bring high volatility and sharp movements on the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. And technically, and in the short term, the currency pair turned to the upside, and we need confirmation. Actually, the price needs to conform a larger growth, larger leg higher, broader leg higher in the short term. So I will talk about US dollar versus the Canadian dollar before the Canadian economic data. Here is the disclaimer, and please read it. And if you have questions, you can send an email to support. And if you want to join us for £40 per month, you can become a VIP member. Yeah, and let's take a look here. US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, very important. So the currency pair has managed to rebound. It has registered a strong rally in the short term after failing to stabilize below this key level, and also it has rebounded in the short term also because the dollar index has turned to the upside after its major and massive sell-off corrective phase. And right now the price action, actually the price US dollar versus the Canadian dollar has managed to stabilize above the downtrend line, but it has found resistance here at the medium line, and it continues to challenge or to move sideways around the weekly R1 1.2910, and so 1.2933 and the medium line of the ascending pitchfork represent upside targets, upside obstacles, resistance levels, and also maybe in the short term we can actually, yeah, in the short term we have something like a range here, okay, range pattern, and this range pattern technically could represent an upside continuation formation, okay. Testing, retesting here the broken down trend line, and followed by a new higher high. So test, retest, followed by a new higher high. Valid breakout could signal potential further growth, okay. But right now you'll have to be careful later, because the consumer price index is expected, this indicator is expected to report a 0.1% growth, yeah, and versus 0.7 in the previous reporting period. Core CPI will be released as well, and don't forget that the US is to release building permits, housing starts, capacity utilization rate, industrial production. So all these economic indicators could bring volatility later here on the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Technically, I've said that staying here above 1.2888, above the broken down trend line, and making a new lower low, a new higher high here, something like this, after testing, retesting here. Okay, a new higher high could signal potential growth, further growth. And in my opinion, staying below the medium line, test, retest, or something, false breakouts, and the new lower low could signal potential new downside movement. Or here, aggressive breakdown, and if it stabilizes below the downtrend line, could invalidate this breakout and could signal a potential new sell-off. So personally, maybe I will try to catch a potential trade after escaping from this range pattern. But don't forget that maybe the currency pair could register sharp movements in both directions in the short term. And personally, I would like to see, I don't know, false breakouts with great separation, something like this, a potential candle sell-off, false breakdown with great separation, and then to continue to grow, or something like this. Or if we'll have something like, if the price will print something like a false breakout with great separation, test, retest, I know it could turn to the downside. Okay, so personally, I will keep an eye on this market, and I will try to place a new trade right after the Canadian inflation data. Okay, so risk disclaimer, please read it, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and here is learn to trade forex signals if you want to become a VIP member. And if you want to join us, if you want to join the VIP group, you can also use this coupon 30 August at the checkout to get a 30% discount. Okay, so very important. If you want to join us, 30% discount, very important. You can use this code, this coupon at the checkout. Thank you guys, see you next time, bye bye.